2-family dwelling 0820/multi-unit. Both units and 1 bedroom 1 bath. Unit 1 has laundry outside and is currently rented. Air conditioning is via window units. A large double lot for this neighborhood, 9,558 square feet. Has the potential to accommodate 2 homes. Buyer to verify lot potential with the county. The location of this lot is close to everything Sarasota has to offer. This property is being sold as is, and all showings will be asked to not disturb tenants in Unit 1. Unit 2 is available for appointments.